So for this problem, we want to find the fourth term of x plus 2y to the fifth power. So to start off, we need to find n. N is our exponent, which is 5. And from there, we find r, which is 1 less than the term we want. So we want the fourth term, which means r is going to be 3. And now we can just plug everything we need into our formula. We have n choose r, so 5 choose 3, times x is our first term, to the n minus r gives us to the 5 minus 3, times the second term, so it's plus 2y, it's a positive 2y for the second term. If it were minus 2y, it'd be a negative 2y for the second term. And this is to the r power, which is just 3. So 5 choose 3, if we use our formula for that, would give us 10. Times x to the 5 minus 3 gives us times x squared. Times 2y to the third, that means 2y times 2y times 2y. Or you could distribute the cube since we're multiplying. Either way you think about it, you'll end up getting 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And y times y times y is y cubed, which allows us to finally simplify to get 10 times 8 is 80 times x squared y cubed. And that is the fourth term of x plus 2y all to the fifth power.